Insert the TF card to the card slot with the texts facing upwards. Long press the recorder on/off button for 3 seconds. Press the Wi-Fi button first and then the recorder on button, then release the Wi-Fi button and next release the power on button. In video on state, press the video on/off button to start video taking. Press the on/off button once while taking a video. In video taking state, double-click the on/off button. In standby state, long press the Wi-Fi button for 8 seconds.